Week is very important again to highlight the importance of infection prevention control and what we can do to prevent the infections to the staff, patients, to the visitors. That's why we celebrate this event as just an awareness campaign.
Today, we're celebrating International Infection Prevention Control Week.
Today, we've tried to promote a fun way to encourage staff to be wearing the correct PPE.
So part of the event today, we had stalls in the main concourse.
Excellent.
We had an award ceremony.